Ever wondered how that velvety piece of chocolate you savor so much comes to life? Well, today we dive into the fascinating process of making chocolate. Chocolate begins its journey on a tree. Yes, you heard it right, a tree. The Theobroma cacao tree, to be precise, which grows in tropical regions around the equator. This tree produces large pods, each filled with 20 to 60 seeds encased in a sweet, sticky pulp. These seeds, or cacao beans, are the heart of your favorite chocolate bar. Harvesting these cacao pods is a laborious process, requiring a skilled hand to avoid damaging the tree. Once harvested, the pods crack open, revealing the precious cacao beans within. These beans then undergo fermentation, a crucial step that kickstarts the development of the chocolate flavor we all adore. The beans are heaped into shallow containers and left to ferment naturally for several days. After fermentation, the cacao beans are dried under the sun. This step reduces moisture and enhances the beans' flavor. Next comes roasting, a process that intensifies the chocolate flavor even more. The beans are carefully roasted at varying temperatures, depending on the desired final flavor profile. The roasted beans then go through a process called winnowing to separate the cacao nibs from the shells. These nibs are the essence of what eventually becomes chocolate. Next, these cacao nibs are ground down into a paste known as chocolate liquor. Despite its name, chocolate liquor contains no alcohol. It's simply a mix of cocoa solids and cocoa butter. This liquor can be further processed into two components: cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Now it's time for conching. In this process, the chocolate liquor is heated and ground for hours, sometimes days. Conching refines the chocolate, developing its rich, smooth texture. The final step in the chocolate making process is tempering. The chocolate is carefully heated, then cooled, then heated again. This process gives the chocolate its glossy finish and that satisfying snap when you break it. So, to recap, the journey of chocolate begins with harvesting cacao pods from the Theobroma cacao tree. The beans inside these pods are fermented, dried, and roasted to develop their flavor. These beans are then winnowed to extract the cacao nibs, which are ground into chocolate liquor. After conching and tempering, the chocolate is finally ready to be formed into the bars, truffles, or pralines we love. So the next time you indulge in a piece of chocolate, remember the long journey it has taken, from a simple cacao bean to the exquisite treat in your hand. It's a journey of transformation, one that requires time, care, and a whole lot of love. Now, isn't that something to savor?